Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is quick and easy day and I have a really cute little treat holder to share with you. This one has a little Ghirardelli bunny in it, but we have a little bunny on the outside. I have a Happy Easter on here. This is really small. It's 3 by 2 1/4 maybe, but it's really small, but it's really cute. It's a little bit different. You can see the shape of this than a sour cream container. It's not made the same way either. It's really super simple, and these would be great for like little classrooms or just to stick in a Easter basket or just for a nursing home to take them a little treat. And they're so easy. And I'm making the little bunny using a punch. And it isn't a bunny punch, so let's get started. All right, we are using my favorite gingham paper, of course. We are using the Country Gingham. I just opened my new pack because I was getting down to the last few sheets of my first one. I told you I would use this like crazy. This one I'm going to make with the green, and you're going to need a piece that's 3 by 6. That's all you're going to need for this, and the punch and some basic white. All right, so I am using this Celebrating You, and I'm just using the Happy Easter off of here. We're going to cut the Happy Easter, and that's what I'm using for that. And then the punch is our Ladybug punch. I thought, oh my goodness, when I saw this sitting there, I thought, why can't I make a bunny out of this? So we are making a bunny out of this. So let's get started and just do the bunny first. So I'm just using some scrap basic white. You can make your bunnies any color that you want. I think they'd be really cute in all different colors. So we are just making a white one, but we're just going to cut the little ladybug's antennas off here. So easy to do. And then I am cutting the ears apart, which are the ladybug's wings, but I'm cutting those apart because I like to place them where I want them. I'm just going to use some Stampin' Seal Plus. You can use wet glue, whatever you want. And we are going to put the bunny's ears on him. And just put them however you like them. I'm just going to... I think I need a little bit more adhesive on that side. There we go. I'm going to move that over. There we go. We got some bunny ears now. All right, and then I am taking this 2022-24 in color Baker's Twine, and since I'm doing the green, I'm going to just go ahead and use this Parakeet Party one. You can use whichever one you want. I used some pink on the first one. It's just some old pink Baker's Twine that I had from Stampin'Up a while back. And we're going to just tie a bow around this bunny's neck. It's really, really simple. But how cute to use a different punch and make a little bunny with it. It's not even a bunny punch. All right, I'm going to cut these a little bit shorter. I may even make his bow. I like the bow to kind of go to the right, so I'm going to try to scoot that over to the right a little bit. And I'm going to tighten that, and I'm going to adjust that one more time. There we go. Then I'm just going to use a pom-pom for his little tail, and I'm just putting some Stampin' Seal Plus down at the bottom to hold it. Just a little dot there. I want to get my bow in there. I'm just using these, and I think I even got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to just pop that on his little bottom, and our little bunny is ready to go. Okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same piece of scrap here, and I'm going to stamp the Happy Easter and get that ready to go. I'm just going to stamp it down here. And I'm going to cut this And I'm cutting it really close to the letters so we can fit it. And then when you're cutting between, just be really careful because they are pretty close together. And I'm going to cut this happy down as well. So they're just two little pieces there. All right, we have that all ready. Let's set that aside and make our box. All right, we're just going to score this. And I am going to score this on the 6-inch side, and we're just going to score it at 1.5 and 4.5. So that is it. This is really quick and easy, y'all. We're going to fold these. And you want to put, I'm using my Stampin' Seal Plus because I want something sturdy here. And then I'm going to flip this, and you want to put it all along the center on this one, on this bottom part. Just along the very bottom edge. All right, so now you're going to pull this up. You're going to make it like a little tube. So you're going to pull this up, meet it to the side here. And so it's going to look like that, like a little tunnel kind of. And then we already have adhesive on that bottom part here. So all you're going to do is you're going to press it down and seal it. And it's going to look like that, like a little tunnel. You could fit more candy in here like this. So you can even use your crimper and crimp the bottom, but I'm not going to do that because I'm putting our sentiment at the bottom here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my little bunny, and I'm going to put, you know what, I'm going to glue this on because that ear didn't want to stay on very well, so I'm going to glue this one on. I used my Stampin' Seal Plus for the other ones, but we're going to glue him on right here. And his ears will stick up some from the box. And then we're just going to add our Happy Easter. You know what, I'm going to glue these two. We got the wet glue out, we might as well use it. I'm just going to put that here. And you can put other things in this. I actually used some of our 2-inch cellophane bags. We don't carry them anymore. But you can find them, I think even like your craft stores have them. And I filled it with some candy eggs. And I think these would be so cute for like a nursing home or something. And then you can just stick them in there like that and just tie it off. Or you can just use one of the little bunnies, little candy bunnies, these little Ghirardelli little bunnies in there. Just like that. You can fit other things, jelly beans, anything like that would be really cute. But look how quick and easy that is, and look how cute they are in all of our little country gingham colors. Aren't they cute? And they're just so little and be really cute for a classroom too. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. This is my March hostess code. I would appreciate it if you used it when you shop with me. And I hope you all have a blessed day, and I hope you enjoyed the project. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.